assemble this? You guys don't want to see that stuff. You want to see this thing dig. I know what you want. Let me go over some features with you real quick and show you what I did. Goddamn dirt bikes. Kids are out of control. I was way worse when I was a kid, so I'm not going to say nothing. It's done. I was sure you guys didn't want to watch me assemble it. I got the new Predator 420 engine on. It is electric start. I do have a battery if the camera woman comes up here closer. I still have to hook it up. I haven't hooked it up yet, but turn it on, flip it up. These things are kind of strange with the choke situation. Runs great. You can see my adapter I made for the pump. I posted that on my Instagram. That was a lot of work. Got the pump lined up. There's a bunch of little quirky things I need to go through, but it's basically at its testing phase, and I'm ready to do some of the work that I actually have to do with it. As you can see, this thing is much tighter. There's no more wobbly. If you come over here and look, camera woman. It's not wobbling it no more. See how that bucket's nice and tight? I mean, it's got a little slop, but it's all tightened up. This ram, I wound up not having a shorten. I just relocated the hole. And if you look at this, this is the way I locked the nuts to the grade 8 bolt. I just drilled through the carbide and put these 1/4 inch with these jammies on here. These don't want it so tight that it doesn't allow the ram to move, but I say we start digging today, woman. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think there's anything left to do but dig.
Yeah. Let's show them what we got to dig, and then we'll get this thing positioned, and then I'll show you something that I built a while ago that I never put on YouTube or anything. It's a dumping bed for a dump bed trailer for my quad. You guys will like that. So let's go show them real quick, and then we'll go from there. So this is my storage shed. Holds like the lawn tractor and a weed whacker. I know it's massive, but this used to all be trees, and I had a little bit of a problem with water backing up the pad and going in. I never put the sill board in like I was supposed to, so I had to fix that back part. But you can see this hill. This hill comes out and then goes down. And it was always my intention from like 2 foot from the fence, oh, look at a nub, 2 foot from the fence to kind of get a nice 30 degree, 15, 20, whatever degree angle of this cut out. So I'm gonna get the machine set up. I'm gonna get the dump trailer on a quad set up in there, so all I have to do is scoop, dump in a quad, scoop, dump in a quad, and then I can pull the quad out and go get rid of the extra material. But you can see the difference height-wise. Yeah, like when the tree guys did this and just left the stumps everywhere. So this is probably, I don't know, waist high, if not a little bit higher, belly button high, so 3 foot. So a lot of this material has got to come out to kind of slope this. So then I got to move some trees, but this will be an excellent test for the machine. Here's the impound lot. Well, impound lot, I call it storage pretty much, but all right, quit talking, get set up. All right, cool. Got this thing set up. I'll show you my dump trailer real quick. These are the transport fins, so I'll probably lose them in there. But this is my little dump trailer I built. It's got a 12-volt actuator motor in it. It's like a linear screw motor. It's pretty simple. If you come over here, I can show you. And it'll do a full dump. Believe me, it's much better than a wheelbarrow. Like I said, just a little 12-volt lawn tractor battery. I got a relay with a trigger. I had a fuse, but it popped the fuse no matter what, because that's a lot when this is loaded. So I'll probably set you up on the roof of my shed, and you'll be able to see my my first bit of digging I get to do. So let's do it. This has been what, a while in the making?
It's supposed to be a couple weeks. I'm pretty sure it's been a month.
You know, I swear I wouldn't pay rental fees anymore, and I worked for it to not have to pay rental fees anymore. So let's get them set up, get some digging done. Better be running out of gas.
That was a balloon, not your machine.
Running out of gas. Well, it's working. It's working. It's gonna take a little while to get used to it, how to do it. And I can't swing far enough over to dump into the deal, so I'm gonna have to pull all the material this way to dump sideways. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I need some gas and do a couple more hours playing around on this, and I'll show you what I got accomplished. Hopefully, it's something. Go ahead, try it. Lift, all right, stop. There you go. Push the other one. You scooped it up good. All right, dump it out. Okay, pick it up. This is his first time ever running these hydraulics. Okay, dump it. Other way. Okay, curl it back up and we'll shut it off. That's good right there. Oh! He ain't listening. Okay, dump it out. There's the other one. Oh, don't hit the shed. You're messing up my stones. Come over this way with the bucket. Stop. You're dumping it all over my... Come on, it's all over my stone. Set the bucket down. Set it down. Stop. Set it down. Set it down. Yeah, in a minute. Set the bucket down. Okay, leave it right there. Stop. Now, put the bucket down. Okay, stop. Good job. Happy birthday, knucklehead. How old are you?
6.
Yeah, you're 6. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
I love you. Yeah, you did dig a hole. All right, that'll do it for the towable backhoe. If you guys got any questions about it, just drop them in the comments below. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Tell them.
I have a question.
What are they supposed to do?
Like and subscribe.
That a boy.
And hit the notifications and follow us on Instagram.
You're
He watched too much YouTube.
You watch way too much YouTube. See you guys.